Well, we got a break in the weather. Stopped raining for a bit. I just went for a little ride up to the glacier. Everything's breaking up now. It's about 60 degrees. Back here where the ice is, there's a nice cool little breeze. It's just like being air conditioned. That must be Sasquatch's cave. I can't tell, is that a cave or just a pile of crud?